Bump up music.
Something's in the way.
Something's in the way. Yeah. That was pretty emo. It's time to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. It's Thursday, December 15th. I'm Julie.
And I'm Robert or whatever. Who cares?
And the Bulletin is on. Wow, that was pretty hardcore. Happy birthday, Gunner.
I like your outfit.
Yeah, I like yours too. We look pretty sweet.
Yeah, pretty emo.
Yeah.
Did you know that goth wear isn't just a fashion statement, it's a lifestyle. It's also not a phase.
It's not a phase, guys.
Stop telling us it's a phase. Girls bowling is on a roll. The Knights bowling team shot their best scores of the season yesterday, defeating Olympic 6-1. Way to go, Knights. Top bowlers were Charlotte, Eden, and Lauren. Way to go, bowlers.
Girls basketball will host an Olympic tonight. Come support the Knights in this hometown rivalry. The band will be there, cheer will be there. JV begins at 5:15, and varsity tips off at 7.
Spirit Week wraps up tomorrow with Color Wars. Ew, color. Let's see which class finishes strongest. If you're new to Pep Assembly Friday, and Color Wars. Freshmen wear white, sophomore wears yellow, juniors wear blue, and seniors wear all school colors plus crowns and tutus.
Bubs, Boba. Am I getting your attention?
You got mine.
Student artists, how would you like an opportunity to sell your artwork and help with a senior class fundraiser? Bubs in downtown has agreed to help the senior class with a fundraiser. Student artwork that is chosen will be showcased at Bubs during First Friday in January. The event is only a few weeks away, so get your artwork ready. The artwork will be displayed at Bubs for about a month. Artwork is needed by the end of the day, January 4th. Contact Mary Grace Grande, Miss Rusine, or any senior class council member.
Have you ever lost anything at school?
Just my will to be here.
Same. The main office, lost and found, is overflowing. Tomorrow is your last chance to pick up your misplaced jackets, hats, and water bottles, and more, because it's all being donated before we close the school for winter break. Stop by before or after school, or during your lunch, not during class, to look for your belongings.
You have 2 more days to donate books to the National Honor Society book drive. Books for all ages, even used, as long as they're in good condition, are accepted. Books will be used to fill our little free library in Bremerton. Donation boxes will be located throughout the school.
Seniors participating in the graduation ceremony are required to wear a cap, gown, tassel, and stole. The first deadline for ordering your graduation gear will be here soon. Please submit your order soon. Grab a flyer in the main office if you need one. Visit www.bremertonknights.com to place your order.
If you identify as Black or African American, or if you're an ally to the Black community, join BSU in room 253 today, right after school. Get together for some snacks, music, and a good time planning fun activities for our Knights. BSU meets Thursdays in room 253 after school.
West Sound Tech and Running Start students. Tomorrow has an adjusted bell schedule for the winter pep assembly. The pep assembly is going to be off the hook. Lit. You do not want to miss the teachers versus students basketball game. I know I won't. Come to the assembly, ready to cheer on your fellow Knights and favorite teachers like Mr. Webb and Mr. Divis. Go, Mr. Webb.
That sounds pretty rad. Graduate Strong is recruiting high school-aged youth for a future-bound youth leadership team. A stipend will be provided to participants. The team will work with Promise from Kids Up Strong to identify future-bound needs and barriers for youth in our community, and co-design some solutions. Scan the QR code for more info and the application. Applications are due tomorrow. Yikes. December 16th. 5 to 10 student team members will be selected.
It's like birthday time or whatever. Happy birthday to Gunnar Perry and Caden Fan.
Well, that's all we have for today. Have an okay Thursday, Knights.
Go Knights.